Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to trade in Roblox. So let's get started. To begin trading in Roblox, you must have a Roblox Premium membership. Without Premium, the trade feature is not available. Once your account has Premium, log into Roblox and open the main menu. Next, go to your inventory or visit another player's profile. If both users have trading enabled, you'll see an option called Trade Items when you tap on the three dots at the top of their profile. Since my account does not have Premium, the option does not appear for me. But if you do have Premium, you will be able to access it. When you tap on Trade Items, a new window will open showing both your inventory and the other user's items. You can now choose which items you want to offer and which items you'd like to receive in return. Keep in mind, only Premium users can use this feature, and trades are final once accepted. So always double-check the items and values before submitting. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.